Oh, she found one. She found another one.
Wowzers.
Where are the eggs?
Oh. Mommy,
Hmm?
is that tiger real?
No.
Is this a toy?
Yep. Do you see any more eggs?
Yes. I see one.
Wow, look at them eggs. I see one. Oh, I see another one, Jimmy.
Does anybody see any more?
There's more.
One I saw that
Dylan. Ooh. Do you see any
There's
more?
more.
Wow, your basket almost full, Dylan. There's some more.
I don't see.
Hard.
Dylan.
I don't see it.
Look down. Look down. Look around.
Is that
Dylan.
Wow.
Is that all of them?
Look around, Mom.
Mimi, show Mom. I don't see one. Grandma, Mom, I don't
You
see
need my
one.
help?
Huh?
Need your help?
Grandma, show her the direction that some are in.
Let me see. She might have gotten them all. She might have gotten them all.
No, I don't see any more.
I think you got them all, Dill.
Yay! Yeah, get Grandma to count the eggs.
Let me see. Let's count them, Dylan. Okay? 1,
Two,
2, 3,
Count, Dill.
4,
4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yay, you got them all. Good job, baby.
Dylan, you want us to hide them again? Okay, you have to go wait and we'll hide them again. Yay, Dylan!
Good job, honey.
Good job. You want us to make it harder? You want us to hide it harder?
Then I'm talking about up here.
No.
No.
No, Uncle.
No, I got all of them.
Was this hard for you?
Huh?
Was it hard? So you need a challenge?
She wants some fruit snacks.
There's another one.
Ooh, fruit snacks. Yum, yum.
You get one as a prize.
Good job, honey.
That one's still.
Oh no, it's for the Easter girl.
All right, come on. Let's let Grandma and Uncle hide them again.
Take them. Give me his.
Wow, that wasn't very long at all.
Okay. Let's
Come
hide
on.
'em. You go with the. You go
Look at
with
Mama and Small. Or not.